Guys, welcome to Planting Alabama. Today guys, it's gonna be a quick little video showing how I compost directly into my garden and into my garden beds. You take a look here in this raised garden bed here. You see I've got 2 trenches laid out. I've got my kitchen scraps and stuff already in. I've got some other stuff I'm gonna put in here, but what I do is just make 2 trenches down each side of the bed, and that way I can put all of my scraps in, and I'll come back and cover these over, water them in, and let them go. This bed here won't be planted in for another couple of weeks or so, and so by the time I get ready to plant in here, this stuff should be well on its way to being broken down. It'll help also draw in the worms. This cooler here, this is an old cooler that I no longer need. I compost in it during the summertime because it heats up really well. It's insulated, and so I just thought I'd come out and share this with you guys. Here I've got some eggshells here. I've got some coffee grounds. I've got some old I think those are walnuts, but anyway, I'm gonna get all this stuff put in. I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, there's citrus peels, banana peels, eggshells, coffee grounds, potato peels. There's just about every kind of kitchen scrap you can think of in here. And I've got 2 trenches, as you can see, one on that side, one on this side. I've got them about a foot away from the edge of the bed. Now, in the center, guys, I'll show you right here down the center. I left that open purposely. I didn't put any in there, and the reason is this, during the summer when I come out to fertilize, this will be where I'll make my trench to fertilize with my granular fertilizer. So I left that as is, and I'll be planting my peppers on either side here, and that way when I come out to fertilize, much like I do my onions, I can just plant right down the center, and that'll be that. So guys, I hope you can use something out of this little quick video. I'll get this covered up so it doesn't start to smell too bad, and thank you for watching. Till next time, God bless.